Hello guys, muna tayo sa kusina ngayon kasi ang ingay sa kusina guys, parang may nagluluto. Ayan na siya, nakatingin. From Bangladesh. So, tingnan natin kung ano niluluto nila ha. Sige, makikigulo muna tayo ngayon sa kusina guys. So, ito na nga guys, ang ingay talaga nito guys, ito. We are living in the Bangladeshi country. I'm here in the Bangladesh now. So, see these people. This is Hassan and Tuhit
and Imon.
Imon, say hi Imon. Show your face. Yes, the handsome Imon.
Come here.
Ayan guys, oh.
Come here.
Oh, come here daw. So, let's go there. So,
Yes.
we are here in Bangladesh now. So,
Ito itagoy na kita.
we need to explore the... What name this one?
Parata.
Parata.
Ayo.
Okay. But I see the Indian parota, it's different. This one is Bangladesh parota, ha?
Yes.
Special. So, yan guys. Yan na gano'n siya. Yung niro-roll niya yung ano. Niro-roll niya yung bread. Ayan, oh. So, lagyan ng flour. Ayan. Ayan, yan yung dough. That is the dough. Then, ayun yung ano niya, yung bread. Ayan. So delicious.
Yeah, to hit interview.
Interview to him. How are you? And this is the ano, parota. Yan na yung malapit ng luluto na siya sa... with onion?
No.
Well,
No, oil.
Oil.
only.
well salt.
Oil, salt. Yes,
Special delicious here.
Yeah.
Special and delicious. Where?
Now start first this is
Ah,
this
this is
one
the
and
flour.
water.
Flour and water,
Uh-huh.
yes.
And then
Same like this. Ayan, step by step. Ayan.
And then coming here.
Okay, ano. And then put, no, here, put here.
Hassan,
rest,
take this one.
And like this. So, ayan. So guys, ayan na, o, diba lulobo na siya. O, ayan, no, lulobo na yan. Ayan, no, lulobo na siya. Okay. And after this, there. Okay. So, ito na yung mga finished product. Okay. Ayan, finished product. And what is that one?
This one, no good.
No good. Also, parota that one?
Yes.
Okay.
See?
So, and then we put some oil. Ayan. Yan, lagyan ng konting oil. Yan. Ayan, so guys. So, ganyan na siya. Okay? So, yan guys. Kung nagustuhan ninyo, please comment. We are here in Bangladesh. Guys, thank you for watching. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you on my next vlog. Say
Goodbye.
subscribe to your friend in Bangladesh.
Okay.
Okay?
I told
Okay.
all guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.